Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to the garage again. Again, been a long time, innit? I keep saying this, don't I? Every time I make a video, I say, "Oh, that's been a long time," and yet it has been a long time. Look at the garage. I've got some space. It's clear. The camper has moved because we were supposed to be going out in it tomorrow to meet some friends, but with the latest lockdown restrictions, that's kind of been kiboshed. Somewhat. In the absence of friends, I have got a clear garage. So I'm going to have a look at the Virago. So this is it. This is where we are at this moment in time. The tank and the seat are just sitting on it at the minute. They're not bolted on. They're just because I've taken them off or from underneath the camper because I've put the camper outside. So let's do something. Let's do something useful. I haven't done anything for such a long time. I've just been sat watching a telly. I feel forever. So let's get on and do something useful. Hold on 1 second. So here she is in all of her glory then, where we are at the moment. God, imagine how easy this would have been if I had this much space all of the time we were doing this job. It would be a lot easier, wouldn't it? That's for sure. So what we're going to do, and I think what we're going to do is we're going to put the battery on it, which is down there, and then we'll check the electrics, see what electrics are working and aren't working. We could put the tank on it, couldn't we? Just lay the tank on it and see if we can actually get the thing running. Okay, now we know that it did run before, but obviously we only ran it for about 2 minutes before, so we can see if we can get it running in the first instance. And see what it sounds like. Yeah, see what's working. Okay, now then, sorry about the lack of film in here, but I have been doing a bit to the bike. But the phone was always flat or something was going on, so I couldn't do any. I just couldn't. I just wanted to get on. So sorry about this. However, this is where we are, so you can just see that I'm not standing still. So I had the carbs apart. As you saw, I cleaned the end caps on them, so they look a bit neater, smarter, and as you can see, they don't look too bad, which is pretty good. However, we've still got a bit of a running problem with it, and we've got a few electrical gremlins. So let me just quickly, where's the key? Where's the key? There's the key. I'll show you where we are. Okay, bear with me. Okay, so that's where we are. She starts and runs. She sounds pretty good. She doesn't idle. And she's not particularly smooth. But I figured that the petrol in it is about 100 years old. So what I'm actually going to do, I reckon, I did clean out. I didn't see any crap in the carbs when I took it apart. I couldn't see anything obviously wrong with them, which was a shame. It's quite nice when you see a load of gunk in there, isn't it? And then you can clean it out and know that you've done something. But I took them apart and I don't think I actually did anything and just put them back together again. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to bollocks the back end of it back together, and I think what I'm going to do is ride it down the road and run it out of petrol, and get a bit of load on it. Do you know what I mean? Give it a good roasting, and then once we've done that, we'll get some fresh fuel in it. And then we will see how she's running then, because we might have to whip the carbs back out. I say whip the carbs back out. They're a freaking pain in the arse, they are, I tell you. But they're not impossible, so that was okay. So, yeah, she runs. I've got a couple of little bit of electrical gremlins that I've got to get sorted out. But yeah, I promise I'll video the next bit. I'm just going to put the I think the rear mudguard on and the seat and that. It's just a matter of bolting it back together. So that'll just be a quick video bolting that back on, and then I think we'll be ready to give it a spin down the road. You know. Yeah, baby, she's looking great, isn't she? She's looking great. My freaking daughters, can you believe it? They prefer this one over the real motorbike. What do they know? It's because it's all shiny and blue, isn't it? There you go. Anyway, this is just a quick catch-up video, and I will catch up with you all again as soon as I get a bit further with it. I'm going to knock it on the head now. It's getting very late. Okay, good stuff. See you soon. Bye.